What's up, guys? Caden here with Hydrodip, and today we're going to talk about spraying activator out of an aerosol can. So the first tip that we're going to go over is keep the can vertical. While you're spraying, you're going to want to keep it at about a 30-degree angle. Because while you're spraying, if you go any more, it's going to stop spraying properly. So before we actually get spraying, first thing, masks. Having the proper PPE is always best. So whenever you're running activator, especially with the aerosol, you're going to want to keep that can somewhat vertical. About a 30-degree angle is always best. Any further than that, it'll actually stop spraying, and I'll show you. So as you can see, stop spraying. Doing that, you're going to mess up your dip. The other thing to speak about is don't have the can so close that you're making waves. You don't want the water to be sitting there and rippling. It's going to start messing up the dip as well. You're going to get your film to break. The pace that we're going to move at is going to be a medium, slow pace, and I'll show you.
What's up, guys? Sorry for interrupting this awesome how-to video. Just wanted to let you know about our Hydrodip kits. Our dip kits are the most user-friendly on the market. Designed with entry-level dippers in mind, our kits provide long-lasting, durable finishes on basically any paintable surface. Check us out at hydrodip.com.
Okay, now let's do that on a piece of film. Alright, so we got our film. Gonna lay this down on the water. Gonna have about a 65-second dwell time on this. While that's happening, we'll talk about 50% wet lines. What that means is as you're doing your passes with your activator, you're doing a 50% overlap on every single pass. That's one technique that a lot of people do. Another technique is cross-hatching, which we'll be doing that and showing you that in our next video. So remember, we're going to keep that can vertical.